If your under-the-counter ice maker is making too much ice, there's a few things that you might need to check. First of all, make sure that the ice maker is level. Now let's take a look on the inside and see what could be going wrong. Now inside the ice maker, there's a bin sensor, and that's located right here. If the bin sensor is blocked by an object, for instance the scoop, or if you mistakenly put something else in there like beverages, that will cause the sensor not to function properly and it will continue to make ice. The reason why the sensor is there is that when ice makes contact with it, as I'm trying to do here, it will stop making ice. Also make sure that your max ice button isn't pushed.
Remember to always refer to your use and care guide.